Video 29. Developing and completing the section, Part 1. On the display screen, all parallel objects have been created for the 1-1 section. Next, copy the axis from the project ground floor plan to the section by double-clicking on the screen, showing the building structure folder tree. Select the ground plan drawing 1. Select all 2D axis objects on the plan. Press Ctrl+C. Then, double-click on the screen, showing the building structure folder tree. Select the section drawing 1-1. At the same time, press Ctrl+Alt+V on the keyboard. The axis on the ground displays the right position for the drawing on the section. View the operations performed on the display screen. We will hide the ground floor drawing by clicking 2 times on the screen. Allplan shows the tree structure. Deselect the drawing of ground floor 1. Click Close to exit the drawing. Next, draw a line to create a floor for the location of the section. Next, adjust the objects to the position of the cross section to show. On the display screen, all objects have been adjusted to suit the cross section. Next, hatch materials for the floor need to show. Dimension the distance on the cross section. Add text for all areas on the section corresponding to the original plan. On the display, the cross-section 1-1 has been completed for the project. You are invited to watch the next video of developing and completing the cross-section in Allplan, Part 2.